Alright guys, here's the date and time in the Garden Furnace 620. And in this video we're going to ride the elevators at Shuttle elevators at Ogilvie Transportation Center in Chicago, Illinois. Now you're probably wondering, well, didn't you get busted the last time you filmed it? Like, it's probably not a good idea to film them again. Well, first of all, that happened in 2016 and it's been 3 years, so I don't think they remember me. Second, I really think it's stupid that they restrict photography here and that's a public place. And third, they've made some changes to this elevator, so I thought I might, give you guys an update on it. So as you can, if you guys remember a previous video, these doors used to be plain stainless steel, but now they got these messages on in the left elevator that says "Get in, rise to the top," and to the right says "Move in here, get it all." Some really nice, background.
Yup, apparently KBS Real Estate Services, which owns the property, is going to expand their business. They planned on using most of the space inside the office tower above to accommodate its employees, while also renaming the building the Accenture Tower. Of course, by now, these plans have been executed, but during the time being when I filmed these elevators, they had these advertisements everywhere to get people interested in working for the company.
So with that being said, we're going to take a ride on this. And also, the cabs, you'll see that the cabs have been redone as of 2019. So yeah, so these are Otis elevators, and it looks like we got this elevator right here, and you'll see that they redid the cabs. So we're gonna go to 3 because these floors are locked. I hope security does not come for me. I don't like here if you do. Probably just tell me not to record. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna send this one down. And I get the left one. It's already right here. And there's a map of the banks for the other elevators. So now I'm gonna head back down. Hopefully they're not chasing after me. Anyways, let's get our cab view here. You can see that they did a lot of work in the ceiling. I definitely don't remember looking at it like this. But anyways, yeah, this is what the cab looks like. So, anyways, you got your indicators. Got fixtures on both sides. And there's your phone. Now we're gonna watch this close up. There it goes. And that's it.